Hi dear, I am Sarana Kumar, Senior Communication Trainer of SK Spoken English Academy and Yegalai Vakalaikudum. Here, in this video, I will share my personal experience in the career of spoken English. Because my many followers asked myself, sir, your videos are very simple, sir, and your videos are very motivated, sir, to learn English, sir. But I don't know how do we speak in English, sir. At that time, I told them, first of all, we should make a practice. The practice make a man perfect, isn't it? So, what are sentences we are talking in Tamil, which means we have to write the Tamil sentences in our text note or otherwise simple papers. Then we have to translate what are the Tamil sentences we are using in English and how do we translate it in English, we should write it. Then we have to apply, we have to practice, then follow, and also it has improved myself. So this is the idea I will convey with you. You can try whether it is possible or not. In case if you are possible, you should comment myself. Thank you for watching.